Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this popiah recipe. Come, let's go to the recipe. For this fried popiah, I'm going to use Kuang, that is Jicama. I've cut and then have prepared this earlier. To do this, I will put in the link how to do this. And to this, I'm going to add bean sprout and Chinese chive. Then I'll show you how I'm going to roll in the with the popiah skin. This much of Kuchai I've taken. I'm going to add in about 2 cups of Jicama, Kuang, and this is the bean sprout. I'm going to add in all of it. This is about 2 cups or so. And this Kuchai. I'm going to mix this up. Sprinkle in some white pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon, and some salt. My Seng already has some salt there. I have some flour with some water here. I'm going to make this into a paste. So make sure when you are done with the peeling of the popiah skin, cover them with a damp cloth so it won't get dried up. So now let me show you how I'm going to do the filling. You have to tuck it in, make sure there's no gap in between. So at the tip here, I'm going to put the paste, the flour paste that I made. So, these are the 25 popiah that I made. I'm going to show you, I'm going to fry some to show you. I'm going to use peanut oil. It's hot enough. Now I'm going to put the popiah. So reduce the heat a little, but just make sure that it's not low. It should be like number 3. You must fry this until golden brown. It's turning brown now, so you have to like turn them around, or else it's going to be darkened on one side. So just make sure you turn them. It's been like 3 minutes so far frying this. So now you can see the bubble is lesser. So it's about 4.5 minutes of frying. So make sure your heat is very high before you put in the popiah, and then start thinning. Try, share with your friends, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload.